Different faces, different names, different stories, different pains. But we're all breathing just the same, under one sky, one sun, one flame.
Across the oceans, across the land, we all reach out for a helping hand. Different languages, different starts, but we're all beating with human hearts. If we listen, we will find we're more alike than we divide. Every soul, every spark connected deep within the heart. One world, one heart.
We were never meant to be apart.
Through the dark, we are the light.
Standing strong side by side.
One world, one heart.
Every ending is a brand new start.
If we choose to rise above, we can heal the world with love.
Every voice deserves to be heard. Every life has equal worth. From the quiet to the loud, every soul stands strong and proud.
No more walls, no more fear. We are stronger when we're near. Every child, every dream is more powerful than it seems.
If we listen, we will see what this world was meant to be. Not divided, not alone, but a place we all call home.
One world, one heart.
We were never meant to be apart.
Through the pain, through the fight,
We can choose a better light.
one world, one heart.
We've been connected from the start.
If we open up our eyes,
We will see our strength arise. What if love was louder than fear? What if we chose compassion here? No more hate, no more blame. We are different, but not the same. We are human. We are one. This is where the change begins.
take my hand.
Don't let go.
There's more love
Then we know.
in your heart.
In my soul. We are pieces of the
One world, one heart. One world, one heart.
We were never meant to be apart.
Through the storm, through the night,
We will rise into the light. Let this be where healing starts. With every voice, with every soul, together we are whole. Together we are stronger. Together we belong.
one world, one heart.
One love. One song.
Before we say goodbye, my beautiful people, I want to leave you with one final thought. We've talked about something that has divided humanity for far too long. We've talked about hatred. We've talked about prejudice. We've talked about the walls we sometimes build between one another. But I don't want you to leave carrying the weight of those walls. I want you to leave believing they can come down. Because every great change begins in a single heart. Your heart. My heart. our hearts. Imagine what this world could become if we chose curiosity instead of fear, compassion instead of judgment, understanding instead of assumptions, love instead of hate. Imagine children growing up believing that every person they meet carries value. Imagine communities where differences are celebrated instead of feared. Imagine if we stopped asking, what makes us different? And started asking, what do we share? Because when you look closely, we all laugh, we all cry, we all hope, we all dream, we all love, we all hurt. And perhaps we're not nearly as different as we've been taught to believe. So wherever life takes you after today, be someone's bridge, be someone's encouragement, be someone's reminder that kindness still exists. And if you ever forget where to begin, begin with love. Because love has a way of opening doors that hate never could. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you'll continue this journey with me over the next few days. Tonight we've shared a very special song called One World, One Heart, a song born from the hope that despite everything that tries to divide us, love, compassion, and our shared humanity can still bring us together. And after that, we'll simply breathe together. We'll slow down, we'll reflect, and we'll allow peace to have the final word in our instrumental experience. One earth, one heart, one heart, one heart, one humanity. Until next time, be kind, be courageous, be compassionate, and never forget we share one world, one heart, and one humanity. This is Auntie May, sending you love. Before we say goodbye,